Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to a day in my life. If it's your first time, you are most welcome. And if you come back, you don't know. So guys, I'm smiling, but I've been having a rough couple of days. Okay? Been having a rough couple of days. Just now, and to tap things off, just now, I'm like, let me just run out because I have things to do and go do something in my car. Just now when I started, it started and everything, and then I said, let me run back inside and get some water so I can drink it on my way back home because I'm thirsty, but I didn't want to drink the water now, and then I want to pee while I'm on the street, right? Because I have two places to go right now, and sometime I'm going to Dollar Tree to get some garbage bags. I'm all over the place, right, as usual, but yeah, I don't want to be, Dollar Tree line is long, so I figure I'll go take care of my business and then I'll drink my water. So I said, let me go back in and get my water. You know, when I went back in, I got out the car and then I pressed the button. I didn't have my foot on the brake pad. You know, like usually in the car, you stop the car, you park the car, your foot is on the brake, then you turn it off. But I didn't. I got out the car, and then while I was standing up, I reach in and turn off the car, right? You know, when I come out, and I felt it. I felt like this was going to happen. I have an under CRV. And I felt it. Something said to me, maybe you shouldn't have done that. This car might not start. And you know, when I came back out, I grabbed the water and I came back out. The car didn't start. So I was sitting there for a while. I started, because my go-to is YouTube for car problems. Always come through for me. So I was like, okay, let me get on YouTube and figure out why my car is not starting and figure out how to fix it, because that's what I did the last time when it was acting up, and it gave me direction what to do, and in minutes I was on the, this was about a month and a half ago this happened, or two, and I fixed it. So there's no issue with the car. I took care of the problem, and yeah. But anywho, I sat there and I was messing with the phone trying to figure it out, and then I just said to my one guy, waste my time. I don't know why he didn't make that video. It's so stupid. I don't know why people even like his video, because he just sat there and said, oh, my car stopped, and then at the end he said, oh, so I guess I'm gonna have to call a tow truck. And I'm like, I'm watching this video for help. If you're gonna call it, I don't want you to tell me you're calling a tow truck, then I'm gonna have to call a tow truck. No. I want result, okay? Don't post stupid. I don't understand why people actually like that video. Nothing about it that was helpful, you know. It pisses me off, and I waste my time and watch it too. So I was sitting there and I was about to watch another video that maybe would have helped me, you know, look promising. But then I say, you know what, I don't have time for this. Let me start this car and see if it will start up. So as you can see, I'm driving, so the car is working. Never had this problem with my Sienna. I had a Sienna, guys, for years, for like 14 years, the same car, because I bought it brand new. I was the first driver, so I kept my Sienna for a long time. It was a 7-seater, but I had a daycare center. I owned a daycare at the time when I purchased it, and I kept my car because there was nothing wrong with my car. I never had to change in this. A Sienna is a good car if you're looking for a 7-seater. If you have a daycare, if you have a lot of children. At the time when I bought it, I'm a mom, of course, so you know, I had my own children, and then with the daycare I needed space, so that's why I bought that. If you're wondering why I needed a 7-seater, it wasn't just me, and it was 14 years ago when I purchased it, not today. Longer than 14 now, because it was 2003, and I've been driving this one now for like 5 years. But at the time when I traded in, it was 14 years old. So I did get you know, my money's worth out of that car, and I was the first driver, like I said. So it was brand new, so it's not like, oh, it got old and it was no. I love Betsy, okay? When I wash her and tell people 14, that she was 14 years old, they always look like, damn, because what happened when I was when I had her, I used to take her in every, before I finished paying for it, I used to take her in every 3 months to get her service and at the dealer. And yeah, so it was the all original parts that was being used on it, if there was anything, but there was never any transmission or engine problem. You know, that's the brain and the heart of a car. The brain and the transmission and the I always, that's what I say, the transmission is the brain and the engine is the heart of the car. So if you those two things go, those are the expensive things on the car. That's what I think. I don't know, I'm not a car guru, I'm not a mechanic, but I know those things always, I hear people talk about those things, they seem to cost more money, and there seem to be the, you know, the big things on the car. This house that I'm looking at is so beautiful. Where am I? 195 on Hillside. Wow, pretty. The flowers and stuff like that they have out. But anywho, I'm going to UPS to return something, and then Dollar Tree to get a garbage bag for my tenant, and also I want to get a tablecloth for my husband to put on, not for my husband, but a plastic, you know, those birthday ones, to put on my table in the backyard, because my husband's birthday is on Friday and Father's Day is on Sunday. So we figure on Saturday, why not get together? I'm gonna, you know, cut a cake for him and stuff like that. So the family is gonna come over. So I want to get a gold colored tablecloth to put on the table, to not just leave it all blah. You know, not doing anything fancy. We're not getting no balloon and all that, because he hates that. He even hates the fact that we're even making a big deal, you know, and want to do something, but he deserves it. He's a good person, he's a good husband, he's a good father, he's trying the best to be the best man he can be. So people like that, you do things for, you know what I mean, whether they like it or not. Yeah, so I know I look rough, huh? Yeah, I need a haircut or something. Yeah, 'cause if I'm gonna wear my hair, I need to get a haircut. If I'm gonna wear my, what are you doing, sir? Idiot, I can't stand them. Bunch of idiots. But anywho, I'm gonna go into this UPS, return this package. By the way, I wasn't home all this time because someone is supposed, the electrician's supposed to come at 10:30. It's 11. He said he would call me. I haven't heard nothing, and I've been sitting there. It's 4 minutes after 11. So that's why I decided, you know what? Let's go drop this box off at UPS, and also run to Dollar Tree. If he don't call, if he call, I'll say I'm 5 minutes away, and then I'll go home. And yeah, or take about maybe 7-8 minutes, maybe about 6 minutes to get here. Maybe because I'm talking to you guys, I'm a little bit slow getting here, because it's 8 minutes since I turned this camera on. But anywho, I'm gonna run in and return this package, this one right there, and then I'm gonna come back out and hopefully run to the dollar store. And like I was saying, I want to go to get garbage bag for my we have a tenant downstairs, and she put out recycle yesterday. Recycle is not supposed to go out until Friday. It's Wednesday. She put it out last night, which garbage go out on Tuesday and Friday, but the recycle, the cans and all those things go out on Friday. I don't think my husband relayed the message to her in that. Just tell her, I think he tell her Tuesday and Friday, but he never get into details. So I'm gonna get into details and let her know that only garbage on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday evening, because it's Wednesday. Tuesday evening, and Friday, can, bottles, and paper go out, and also garbage, right? But what I'm trying to, she's a young girl, she's a college student. I think this is going to be her first time living on her own. So I want to stop by the Dollar Tree to get the garbage bag, for the recycle bags for her. And so when I send her the message, you know, I'm a mom when she's young, like my children, so I want to get her a pack of that, and when also including the message that I leave you some bags by your door. You know, you can find them at Dollar Tree. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, hopefully this electrician that's coming, and not only he's an all-around person, because I have something on the cupboard, so he's a handyman. I have to change two sockets in. I have to change one socket completely. The other one, the cover that's on it is not on right, so I might have to put a new one. And then the cupboard in the kitchen, one of the little thingy is hanging, and I tighten it and it's hanging again. So I don't know if we need to just replace the whole inchy, that's what they call inches, the whole inch that's in the whole thing. The cupboard go swing back and forth with whatever. I don't know if I need to just get a new one, so I want him to look at that, so when I go to Home Depot with him to purchase stuff, we can get that. To purchase stuff for the electrical socket, we can also get that. One of the electrical socket need maybe a bigger thingy too. It's a whole bunch. And like I said, I've been going through some personal stuff as well, and you guys know I got treatment on Friday and I've been feeling sick. And if you don't know, I got my treatment for my cancer treatment on Friday, and I've been out of it. I haven't been working out or anything. I just been on the couch and just been short of breath, because it makes me very thirsty, and it also make me feel like I can't breathe if I do too much, you know, and I can't do much. So yeah. And also the back, we had people in the house yesterday doing the floor in my dressing room. You guys, if you saw my other video saying that it was gonna be done, they are doing the floors, but my shoes, the stand, go check out my other video that the shoes is on, they're like on the floor. Instead of lifting them up, they push them and pull them, and then all my shoes come tumbling down. So now I have a mountain of shoes in the room, and the man is coming to work in the room now to put electrical stuff, and those are in the way. But what I say all of that to say, I'm gonna also ask him if we can get plywood at Home Depot to put on the back of these shelves, because if we can put plywood on it, it costs $100 on 3, and it costs me $100, say $40 for the wood, $60 for him. It's better than me going and buying new ones, because the new I would need 4, and the new ones are $100 a piece. I did order 2 because the guys that's working there that break it, his boss said I should buy it out of the money that we're gonna pay him. So I ordered 2. I had 4, so I might just have to fix the back of 2 of them, because I'm getting 2 new ones. Or if I fix the 3 of these, if the back fix on the 3 of these, I'll just put up the new one that's coming, one of the new one, and return the other one. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot. Yeah. Need to get it together. I need a haircut, guys, very soon, like today. I need to get to the nail shop. The guy that do my nail also is going through treatment. He's going through dialysis, so I feel bad when I have to go on these days, you know, like I'm thinking it's Wednesday. I know he gets treatment on Wednesdays, but I know he's done, because he usually go in early, like 7 a.m. get his treatment. He's done, so he's resting. So, and he's at work. If I go there now and say I want my nails, he will come from the back, even though he's resting, and do it. But I don't want to go too early. I want him to sleep, you know, rest, and then I'll go later. But I want my haircut. I want my haircut either the latest tomorrow. I don't even know if I want to wait until tomorrow. Anyways, let me go into the store, return this, and I'll see you guys when I come back out. Okay, so I drop off the package at UPS, and guys, the car start. I know nothing was wrong with this car. She's just a little bitchy, you know. She always doing stuff like that. She's very bitchy, this car. So because I turned it off without touching the, you know, having my foot on the brakes while I pressed the button, she decided she was pissed off, because she shouldn't be turned off the way I turned her off. So no more, because I can't deal with this wasting any time, because it wastes so much time sitting there trying to get her together. Maybe it was 12-15 minutes, you know. I could have been do this, drop off this, and go to the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. I'll show you what I get. Hopefully I don't pick up anything else, because I'm only going for 2 items, and hopefully the man don't call me. Hopefully I get home and before he gets there. All right, so I see you when I show you what I get at Dollar Tree, and fingers crossed I only get the 2 items, because I surely don't need no junk. Okay, guys, I didn't get the trash bag the recycle bag that I went to get, but I did get, and I didn't get the gold tablecloth, but I got purple. That's my husband's favorite color. Anyways, I got purple tablecloth. That's all I wanted to buy. But then when I got here, I was like, I don't have cake plates. And today's Wednesday, and we're gonna need it. So, because the get together is gonna be on Saturday, and I don't want to be overwhelmed and running around. That's why the man is actually here right now, though. But um. I got back home. I'm home. He's right there on the steps, and easier to do work. So I have a whole bunch of stuff for him to do. So I'm gonna go. I just wanted to show you, like I promised, what I got. So I got the cake plate. That's something I didn't think of, and that's one of the items. Ice and paper plate is something that you always, and candles. Run into the store. I didn't even get that, but he doesn't like the excitement. So if I get it, I get it, and if I don't, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna make a list and try to do everything tomorrow because nobody got time to be doing it on Saturday. I even have a massage on Saturday that I'm wondering if I should cancel. But everything will work out. It is what it is. I'm gonna stop taking things so serious. Anywho, let me go because this man is waiting. See you in a bit. Okay, guys. Back home. Went to Home Depot. Got plywood for the back of my shoe shelf. They fell apart. If you look in the other video, you'll see what I'm talking about. He's upstairs doing them right now. That's the sound you're hearing in the background. So we got plywood, we got screws, we got the materials for the electrical, and back home eating grapes. Hungry. And I was moving so much that I got to my goal of over 15,000 steps. I don't know how much I'm over. But earlier, when I checked it, the girl was over 15,000. So that's good. Look like I'm coming back around. So tomorrow, we're going to aim to pass the same thing. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do better. Whatever we get today, tomorrow, I'm going to aim to do better. And tomorrow, I will look better as well. I mean, I look good. When your band look good, you just band look good. But turning the volume down. So, yeah, that's what's going on in the moment. Grapes. The kitchen. Cupboard. I needed tightening because it wasn't working right. Mr. Doman, fix it. That's the handyman that we know. He's like a friend. We met him as stranger, but we became friends. And yeah, but that's how you meet everybody, right? As strangers first. But yeah, but I'm just saying that it's not just, we don't just talk to him when we need something done. We talk to him otherwise. So the kitchen cupboard is fixed, thank God. Next thing is those shelves that was bothering me. I ordered 2 more last night. But it seemed like I'm gonna have to do the same thing on the back. What else? Oh, and he's gonna do the electrical stuff. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'll show you everything when everything is finished. For now, I'm gonna eat my grapes. Also, I have a bag of garlic chips over there. I'm gonna have that. I don't know what to eat, and I don't feel like cooking. I have some black beans over there. I'm gonna soak them, put them to soak, and cook it tomorrow. But yeah, that's all going on right now. So I'll come back and show you. A matter of fact, because I know you want to see. Let me take you upstairs. And you know, if there's room for me to walk up there, because he's in the hallway working. But I'll show you what's going on. So So that's what's going on at the moment. My shoe shelves are coming together better than they were before. Because those shelves, they put cardboard in the back when you purchase them. So Mr. Doman is making it sturdy, better than ever. So I should have been done this. Okay. See you guys later. So guys, this is our place that's in work in progress. The new floors, which is not finished. And the dressing room, they tore my shoe stand apart. There's my shoes. It's crazy. But look what Mr. Doman did for me today. We went to Home Depot, we got plywood, and instead of cardboard, now we have plywood. So all I have to do is put the slats back in and put my shoes back on. Wipe them down, of course. You know, they're dusty from the shoes, but look, he put whatever he put, material, whatever he did, he did. I'm grateful. He just left. He was here for I would say 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 8 hours is really reasonable. Okay, I thought he was going to charge us more. So if you're living in New York, hit a girl up if you need a handyman. Okay, it's not much to look at. I'm gonna have to clean it up, but as you can see, he put it on the back, even though it's not showing here. It's behind this thing that it comes with. You know, these things, they make them with cardboard. So he did all three. The guys ruined one of them, so I ordered two, but I think I'm gonna send one back because these three are fine, and then I'll just use the next one and get my 4 shelf back because that's all can fit here against the wall. You guys see, and if you didn't see it, go look and check out my other vlog. But look at my clothes, they're covered in plastic because they're still working on the floor. These are my shelves for the shoes. Put my shoes back on here. Hope you're seeing what I'm showing you because I'm not seeing what I'm showing you. And on the bottom as well, we have these. I have some extra ones of these, but guys, I'm poop. There's more. The floor is not finished over here. This is the old floor. This is the new floor. They're still good. They can come back and work on Friday. It's Wednesday today, so I'm glad I got these done. They're not falling apart. This morning before when Mr. Doma come, one of them was like this, leaning, like rock with it, lean with it. It was like leaning, so I had to have this one leaning on the other one with the ladder in front to keep it from just falling apart. Okay, because the reason why this is happening right here, look like this, was because one fall apart, completely broke. We had to put it in the trash. Thank God it was trash day yesterday, so we put it in the trash. But the room is still being worked on. That's why the clothes are covered with plastic to prevent dust. So yeah, so it's crazy. So even had so much shoes on those shelves that look guys, it's crazy. So not just what I show you, and then the bags, you guys saw that yesterday. You're on my bed, so I'm gonna have to take that off now. So tired. It's been a long day. Yeah. So this is my life. At least they always cleaned up. It was crazy earlier. So they're gonna come back and work on Friday. So now the job is on me to get this together so they can finish what they're doing here, and then I can put my room back together. So I don't know when this is gonna happen because too much things is happening at the same time and it's way too much for me. So I'm tired of looking the way I look. I'm tired of my nails looking the way it look. So we're gonna get that together because they're coming on Friday. I don't know, how do you clean up all these shoes? I didn't know so much shoes was on these 4 shelves. Well, I only have 3 now because they broke the other one, which is going to be delivered tomorrow. So hopefully I can get them to put it back together. and then Mr. Doman will come by, or I can do it, or my husband, or we'll just Mr. Doman will come back and we'll buy plywood and we'll put it on the back like we did with the other one, because nobody have time for things falling apart with these things that these people are you know selling, these cheap furniture or whatever. But anywho, eventually I'll have to go through this. I'm so scared so much. Because first I have to put these shelves back. There's no shelf. There was shelves in here, so I'm gonna have to wipe it out. So I'm praying for strength that I can do this, because I definitely wanted to do a maintenance vlog tomorrow. So I'm sorry that this fell apart, but everything happened for a reason. And now instead of cardboard, I have wood. Okay. So all right, guys. I'm gonna say good night, and I'm gonna go have a cup of tea. It's 8 p.m. I'm gonna watch my show, which is my 600-pound life. I love that show. And I'll see you in another one. Hopefully, not to put in the closet together, but maintenance tomorrow. I'm gonna do my maintenance. I'm gonna take care of myself, and then I'm gonna come home and wipe these things down. Or I do this because the nail shop don't open as early as I get up. Anyways, the barber shop don't open as early as I get up. So I might get up, and if I'm energized, I'm just gonna wipe these down and put. I'm excited to do it. To be honest, I'm gonna wipe these down and do the best, because I can't have the floor like this. They come into work, so I'm gonna have to take these things up. So what I'm gonna do is yeah, well, I'm gonna have to figure it out. So it will be fine. It will be fine. Okay, bye. Come back and mess with your girl and see what she's getting into, because things are about to get better. My life can't get any worse. Okay, so come back and mess with your girl, and please comment, like, subscribe, share the video, and all those good stuff. Bye.